Alright, now check this out. This is the quick panel on One UI on the Galaxy phones with liquid glass effects. And this is of course inspired by the liquid glass effects on the iOS. This is how versatile an Android phone is, and we can get any effect that we want on a Galaxy phone or any other Android phone as long as you are on Android. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how exactly you can get this done. I do not want to take the credit for this particular trick. This is already discussed and posted by many of the YouTubers. Now, before we go ahead and take a look at this process, if you're interested in these beautiful looking wallpapers, these are available on Volver's wallpaper application. We have added this under premium section. There are some crisp and clear 4K animal wallpapers and some graphic wallpapers have been added, and they all look beautiful. Do go ahead and check out the application. The link is in the description. Now let's go ahead. First, you need to go to the quick panel and take a screenshot of the same. Now we need to add glass effect for that particular image, the screenshot that we have just taken. For that, let's open Gemini. You can add the image or directly paste it if you have already copied it. Now let's ask Gemini to convert this image into a liquid glass quick panel. Convert this into a glass morphism control center. Keep the background same. Let's see what happens now. I'll send this. Now let's say convert this quick panel into a glass control center. Let's send this. Now let's type convert this control center into a glass control center. Keep the background same. Let's send this. Here it is. This is the result that we got. Now, like I said, you can keep trying the prompts, different prompts to get better results. Once you get the one you want, just save it inside the gallery. Now let's go to the gallery and open the one that you just saved. Now here we will have to crop these toggles. Let's go to edit. Let's use lasso option. Tap on this and tap on lasso. Now we will have to grab each of these toggles. Let's try the first one. There it is. Tap on next. Tap on done. And here just tap on save a copy. Likewise, let's do it for the rest of them. Here we go. I have clipped all these toggles here. Now we need to add these toggles on the control panel. For that, again, go to Goodlock application, and on Goodlock, you need to have the latest Quickstar module. Let's open Quickstar. I'll turn this on. Now this is where we can edit the panel style or the panel theme. This new version is available on One UI 8.5. I will try to leave an APK for this module. Now here, tap on edit panel style. This is where we can add images to the panels. Let me just delete the ones that I have here. Tap on delete, delete. Now here, let me tap on button. For Wi-Fi, I will have to add the Wi-Fi button here from this image from the gallery. Let me select Wi-Fi, tap on apply. Now you see the glass effect is right over here. And then let's add it for the Bluetooth. Select the Bluetooth version, tap on apply, and here it is. Likewise, you can add all other buttons using this quick panel customization feature on the Quickstar module. And once everything is done, your quick panel is going to have this liquid glass effect, which look beautiful. You can create different effects that you want. It is just a workaround just in case if you want to have something like this on your quick panel. If you don't want this liquid glass, you can create your own glass effect or any other effect that you need on your quick panel. It is simple to understand, but a long process, and it shows how versatile our Android phones are. We have got so many workarounds to get things done, and that's possible on your Android phone. So do go ahead, check this out, and all the credit goes to whoever has shown this particular trick on YouTube. You can drop a comment and claim your credit. That's all I want to share with you guys. Hope you have already subscribed. Hit that like button if you haven't done it already, and don't forget to download the Volver's wallpaper application. There are some fantastic collections. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.